Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's join pharmacy. Guys, today let's discuss about some of the home remedies for the treatment of the acne and acne stretch marks. And these are going to wonderful and they are helping a lot. And here you have to be patient. Yes, today you apply, tomorrow you will get the result. No, this you have to apply for a minimum 30 days. Then you are going to see a hectic result. So you are observing on the skin, this is acne. It is a skin condition of red pimples and inflammation, what you were saying. Mainly it is caused because of infected of the sebaceous gland. The marking what you are saying, that marking is acne scars. That too we can get treated by easily. First our main treatment is aloe vera. See, aloe vera is one of the magic course for your acne and acne stretch marks. Apply with gently on rubbing, okay, and leave it for 2 minutes. Next one is a tea tree oil. This also tea tree oil, it is one of the natural ingredient which regenerate your skin and helps to erase the scratch marks and acne marks. You have to apply this 2 times. Green coconut water, it is also very important to remove your acne and stretch marks. Our fourth important is Manuka honey, which is very different from the normal honey. You have to apply it and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then automatically it will absorb into the skin. Okay, then you can wash with the lukewarm water. Apple cider vinegar. It is also a very good treatment for the acne and acne scars. And this you have to use in a very dilute form. Lemon juice. Yes, this lemon juice also shows a great effects to reduce the sketch marks, to reduce the acne scars, acne marks. You have to apply this also 2 times in a day directly on your skin. Caution, remember this point. See, never pop your pimples. Okay, touching of the nails will be infected more. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel now. Okay, and turn on the bell icon. Let's jump pharmacy. Thank you.